Here's a 2017 Kia Sorento. From the moment you close the door, a refined and secure feeling from the safety features, quality, and overall value surrounds you. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Rear parking sensors, Bluetooth, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, 3 USB ports, smart device navigation, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto allow you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. Consumer Reports finds the Sorento offers lots of interior space, yet is easily maneuverable and simple to access. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.